Hey everyone, my name is Banan Patel and today we are going to solve a LeetCode problem number 1221. It is a split a string in balance string. So here we have given a detailed description about problem, and it is as balanced string are those that have an equal quantity of left and right character. That means L and R. Given a string S, split it into some number of substrings such that each substring is balanced. Return the maximum number of balanced string you can obtain. So here we have given a string S as an input, and it contains of L and R, that means left and right, and we have to check whether the string has been balanced number of left and right or not. So as L and R comes together, then it can be said as balanced, or R and L. So RRLL is also being balanced, so it will be also counted. So first we will initialize two variable. It will be as int count equals to 0 and another as int sum equals to 0, and now we will run one for loop. For loop will be start from I equals to 0 and it will be up to size of string. It is s of size, and it will be iterated by 1. Now we will initialize one if condition as s of I equals to L, capital L, then sum equals to sum minus 1, and else if another if condition that if s of I equals to R, then sum equals to sum plus 1. That's it. And if sum equals to 0, then count equals count plus plus, and at last we will return count. So here we are tracking with two variables as count and sum. So first of all, if for loop will run, and it will check if s of I contains L or not. If it contains L, then it will be sum minus 1, and another else if condition it will run for R, and if s of I equals to R, then it will be increment by 1 in some variable. Then overall if sum equals to 0, that means L and R is in pair, so sum equals to 0, that plus and minus will be equals to 0, and then if sum equals to 0, then we will increment count by 1, and it will be move further and track this, and at last we had written count. And let me check if it got error or not. We had passed our test cases, 3 test cases, and now let me submit the solution. Yeah, its runtime is 0 milli per second, and we had 0 o the power o of n time complexity, and its memory usage is 8.47, and here we had used only two variables to iterate the two variables to solve the problem. So thank you very much.